All right, Sean, we spent the morning here putting on a couple products on your truck. You got a nice, what's 2019?
2019, yes.
Man. Tell us about the truck, like why you bought it.
I loved the way it looked, and then especially like the way it looked, like the grill, it looked like it had a strong, like, just aggressive stance, like, and especially if it's like lifted, I just loved it, like, first time I saw it. So like I'm planning on doing some of those kind of stuff, performance stuff too as well. So yeah.
Right. Yeah, they're really nicely styled trucks, that's for sure. And the price point is there. Now you just graduated college, so
yeah,
that's cool.
Throughout college I was saving, like, I don't know what car I want, but then when these came out, like 2015, 2016, I was like, dang, I really think I want that car. So I mean, I was always just saving, and then I graduated, finally got a full-time job, started working for like maybe half the year last year, and then I went out and I bought it. I wanted to buy it. I didn't want to lease it because I wanted to do all these little things that I couldn't take back, you know, when I return it.
And now that you have a truck, do you have a lot of friends saying, hey, can you help me move?
Oh, definitely, yeah. A lot of family members saying, yeah, we need to move this, we need to move that.
Right.
And then a lot of times, like, I'll do it, obviously I'll do it. Like, it doesn't matter to me. Because like I'm that guy, like that has the truck, you know. Like we went to go get our Christmas tree, just throw it in there.
Yeah,
it's nice and easy.
Well, what I've noticed, what's really neat is you got such pride in your community and where you're from, Guam and all, and that is just really beautiful, you know. And that you're able to help out the family when they need to, because you got a truck and all that. So making it perform well is something that we were working on. So we installed the accelerator.
Yes.
So tell us a little bit about how you felt about that.
The accelerator, I mean, I noticed it when we went to the, I guess, what is the highest performance?
Yeah, number 4.
Number four, yeah. And we just kind of turned the corner and I pushed the gas and it took off. Yeah.
Right.
Like, normally, like on stock, I could kind of hear like lags a little, but like on that number 4, it just kind of just took off like with ease. So I mean, I could really feel it on 4 for sure.
So imagine when you got a big load in there too, that'll help, you know. And then we had it down in the security mode, and it only went what, 2, 3?
Yeah, it was like at 5 maybe at the most. But yeah, it wasn't going anywhere.
No.
Yeah.
And you're not a hot rodder. You use this truck to go back and forth to work and stuff. So it's just something to help a little bit of performance, like we say, get out of the way mode.
Yeah,
you know?
Definitely. Yeah, so it's good.
Well, I hope you enjoy the products.
Cool.
All right, very cool. All right, Sean, thank you. All right, everybody. So here we are, Jet Performance did a little installation on this Toyota 2008-19 Tacoma TRD. All right. Cool. All right, well, I'll see you later. Well, that's it for this Daily Driver Report. Stay tuned as we share more stories about our vehicles that we drive every day.